Welcome back everyone. Today I am gonna show and configure Visual Studio Code for it to function, and also I'm gonna showcase how to add Manim animations. Let's get straight into it. First we're gonna start off from the theme. Now default VS Code theme is fine, but we're gonna find the better one, so just search Capuchin here, download the theme, also wait and choose Capuchin Mocha, and also install Capuchin icons. Wait, choose Capuchin Mocha. First we're gonna start off from the top bar. Then remove Command Center, Layout Controls, open an agent, integrate a browser, and menu bar. Menu bar, accounts, remove them, Control P, move to the side, and fine. We're gonna press Control Shift P and customize layout. You're gonna set the command to open up in the center, and let's jump into the user settings. Now this already looks pretty good. Now disable some elements for more minimal look. Breadcrumbs, false, font settings. Now editor font family, JetBrains Manim font. Editor font size 18. Editor line numbers relative. Editor font ligatures true. Ligature is just set that you're gonna make certain combination of symbols look like a unified icon. Now if you don't have a JetBrains Manim font as your font, if you're on Arch, by the way, you can install using this command ttf JetBrains Manim. Press enter here, and then you can install this font right here. Now this is pretty good setup for starting. Save it right here, jump here. Now as you can see, I'm getting after completion and syntax highlighting on this Manim animation. Now if you're wondering how I got it to work, you just go to the project that you have opened right here and just type uv add Manim, and it will add Manim to this directory. And also, as I showed in my previous videos, you just type pipx install Manim, and to render those Manim animations in the VS Code, you could just open up and type Manim side view, download this, trust publisher, and install. Do I trust this guy? I think probably yeah. And then we have this little icon here. You can pop up the demo, wait until this all renders up and see the animation here. And also you can set up Copilot so that you can do cool stuff like remove the rectangle yes. Just wait a little bit, it will remove it, save it, and then wait until it turns up. it renders. No, you don't have. It's a damn thing. Beautiful, isn't it? Today was a short video. I think you enjoyed it. Follow for more videos, and if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.